Okay, so here we are in hibiscus section number 2. Now, we have rows of hibiscus on landscape fabric, and then there's cover crop in between, which has gotten a little weedy, so we'll have to work on that. But overall, in my opinion, and from my experience, they seem to do better with the landscape fabric. There's less competition, and they can do what they do really well. These plants here are about 2.5, 3 feet tall. Very little weed pressure that they have to contend with. Every now and then we do get a weed coming through the through the plastic, but that's just a simple matter of just pulling that up out the ground and getting rid of it. So, all in all, this seems to be a preference, but another option if you're planting on just bare soil is to make sure you space your plants as individuals and as the rows wide enough for you to bring a tiller through the sections, because otherwise, depending on where you are, grass can just simply take over, and that just really chokes out your plants. And I'm going to show you that in section number 3. This is section number 2.